everyone, welcome back to the Williams family page. And today, what's up squadrons, what's up squadrons? Today we're eating, well I'm eating, but you can have some jerk chicken with some cabbage and looks like carrots and some cranberry. And where I got this from was across the street, but I'll tell you about that in a minute. And I'm also drinking Ralph's and Charles green apple, kiwi, pineapple drink. This is my first time. Let me shake it up a little bit. With this, it's my first time tasting it. I felt like having a sexy glass. I got my Italian dressing on deck for the cabbage and stuff like that. And I'm not a real fan of spicy food. I used to be able to eat it a lot, but because I chew so much ice, it made my tongue sensitive, and so I don't eat it as much. But I've always loved jerk chicken. But what I like about this place is it's a family-owned business, and it's right across the street from where I live. And they do it only Saturdays and Fridays, and they make mac and cheese, Jamaican rice, this right here, the salad right here, and jerk chicken is their specialty. And they have white ends and they have escargot, which I'm going to taste the escargot, and you're going to see me do one of that on the page as well. I want to taste the white end too. And they do shrimp kebabs. Yes, I am going to get some of them, even though y'all know shrimp ain't my forte, but I will try it. But yeah, so they also have different type of sauces. They have a mild jerk, and then they have a spicy jerk. So, you know, but the jerk is awesome. It's really awesome. So, let me get into this because I'm hungry. I hadn't eaten all day. Want some cabbage, rice. Oh, cabbage salad. Oh. That really goes with the... The cranberry. Yeah. That's good. Oh, that's good. Hey. Well, I'm cutting down on all starches because I've been getting a little chunky here. So I'm cutting down on all starches. And if I'm eating a meat, a protein, I'm just going to accommodate it with a vegetable, or no vegetable at all. I'm just going to eat that protein. And if I'm eating a vegetable, I'm going to probably maybe possibly just eat the vegetable. I don't want no rice, no potatoes, no all of that, no sugar. Now today is going to be the last day, but I wanted to try this because it's like a green cranberry pineapple, and I think that'll be good. Plus, you know, pineapples is good for us and stuff like that. Oh, and they have a cabbage, strawberry as well, and carrot, cranberry. Oh, they have different flavors in this. So maybe I can mess with the carrot. Yesterday I ate a smoothie. I drunk a smoothie, which was yeah. What that smoothie had in it? See in her room. I usually have carrots, blueberries, kiwi. Oh, this is a real good smoothie. I caught my appetite. I'm going in for the chicken, y'all. I don't really like no legs, so the most. But look how moist this chicken is. See how moist that is? Ain't nothing like a piece of chicken off the grill. Excuse me, I have to put that aside. I just like the white meat inside rail. I was hungry. Good. I was a little dry, that piece. How are you feeling today? Good, I hope. Don't forget your Like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that notification button as well. I'm like sleeping too. I didn't do no rest last night. I should have put more of that sauce. It's like the chicken soaked it out. I'm sorry, I'm there. I have my nose running already. Woo! 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 That skin was hot. I'm gonna pretend I could take too much spicy. That's why I haven't did the challenge, the noodle challenge. So I don't know if I can withstand it. Not bad. I taste more of the kiwi than the green apple though. I don't even taste the pineapple. I want it to be able to taste everything. But I'll take another sip in a little bit. Then I probably will. Front of my nose. It is so good, I do want to suck it, but the spice is a little too much. It's really good. I'm gonna take what I can stand. Best part, I don't know if y'all know, but chewing the jerk chicken bone, get all that juice, it'd be bomb. I wish I was tasting what I'm tasting right now. It's bomb. It's bomb. So bomb. You know how I get happy when I eat. I'm really hungry. Yeah, that skin looked like it was too fire. I knew I couldn't deal with that. Oh, there I go. Excuse me. No, that is just too dry. Okay. I eat all the moist ones. The rest of them, a little dry, but it's still delicious. And the salad, even more delicious. Excuse me, my nose. Ugh. Woo! So, let me let my stomach settle a little bit. Then I want to talk to y'all about something that really made me feel some sort of way yesterday. When I was outside, and it made me very upset, just very disappointed. I'm gonna tell you what it was in just a minute. Why don't it's still ready? Excuse me. Okay. So, last night I went outside because they had something over here where they call it like film night or whatever, and they play different movies, and you could sit on the beach and you could watch it, or you could sit up on the boardwalk and you can watch it. And I was going out there to see where the function was going to be at. And as I'm sitting out there, my back is like turned towards the boardwalk, and I hear something going pop, pop. So I turned around like towards the other way to see what was going on, and I see a group of little black young ladies chasing two white girls on the bike with the firecrackers, I think they Roman candles or whatever, chasing them. The girls are riding away frantically. The white little girls riding away frantically, and she's just running after her with a Roman candle, popping it at her. Then she hits the girl, and then she runs back to her friend, and she goes, I hit her. And then they in a group and they laughing. Now they go in a group, and these are the black girls. They go in a group, and they're all together, and then they light another Roman candle. Now meanwhile, there's a white man on the other side of the boardwalk, and they go. And they start popping it at the white man. The white man turns around, and the Roman candle grazes his face, and he goes to kick the little girl. Okay? And the little girl went running off. So the white man went walking. And as he was walking, she took it upon herself to light another one and run after him with it. So now the man is going this way, the man is going that way, and she's just on his back trying to pop him with these Roman candles. I don't know if he got hit, because at that time I got off the boardwalk because I felt like, okay, this could get a little messy. And I felt very funny about the situation, and I was very disappointed in our children, because it's like, first of all, that was a grown man. And you're a young lady, and you have no business, to me, approaching a grown man of any minority, okay? Secondly, firing something that can blow out your eye, your finger, that's enough.